Welcome to a closer look at Pakistan's foreign policy and its impact on the global stage. Pakistan's foreign policy is heavily influenced by its relationships with neighboring countries, particularly India, Afghanistan, China, and Iran. Tensions with India over Kashmir and the evolving situation in Afghanistan continue to shape Pakistan's diplomatic strategies. Under the current government, Pakistan has been actively working to strengthen its ties with key allies such as China, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, has emerged as a pivotal initiative, aiming to enhance trade and economic growth by connecting China with the Middle East and Europe through Pakistan. While CPEC presents significant opportunities, it has also sparked concerns regarding debt and environmental impact, prompting a careful balancing act in Pakistan's foreign policy decisions. As Pakistan continues to navigate these complex geopolitical dynamics, its foreign policy choices will undoubtedly have far-reaching implications. Stay tuned for more insights into the evolving landscape of global diplomacy.